Ooh, you know we like cheesecake.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. This is going to be blueberry cheesecake bars. We've started with 3/4 of a cup of graham crackers. To that, we are adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of lemon zest. Come on, little guy. And then a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Let's get that all in there. It was already starting to solidify. Let's get the spatula. Okay, we're going to mix this all together and make our crust. Okay, now we're going to take an 8-inch pan that we've already sprayed with cooking spray. We're going to dump these crumbs in here and press it into the bottom to make the crust. Yes, my hands are clean.
Sure they are.
They are, you know me. Okay, this goes in the oven, preheated on 325, and it will bake for about 10 minutes. That's 10 minutes or till it's starting to brown. While the crust is baking, we have 2 8-ounce cream cheese that we've softened. To that, we are adding a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and we're gonna beat this till kind of fluffy. Okay, that's done, so we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Ooh.
I know, smell that?
Mm-hmm.
And then we are going to add some more lemon zest, which is 2 tablespoons worth, however you want to say that. And then 2 eggs. And we're going to mix again. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Oh, I can smell the hint of lemon in this.
Yeah, it looks pretty golden.
Yeah, looks great. Get that over here.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna let the crust cool just a little bit. We're supposed to spread the filling while it's warm, but not hot. So we'll just let it cool just a little bit.
All right.
While the crust is cooling, we're gonna work on our topping.
Nice.
And we have 1 cup of brown sugar. I love when that happens.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
It's perfect.
I know. 1/2 cup of flour. Then a 1/4 cup more of those crumbs, those graham cracker crumbs that we all love. And then a 1/3 cup of butter, which, I mean, you can't go wrong.
Nice.
Now we're just gonna mix this up till we have some coarse crumbles that we'll use for our topping, and then we'll just set it aside. Now that the crust is cooled a little bit.
Still warm.
Right.
Cooler.
That's right. We're gonna spread this cheesecake filling. This around. Okay, next step is the blueberries. This is a 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries, and we are just going to start spreading them around. Okay, that looks good, I think.
Yeah,
Is that good for you, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next, we're going to add our crumble topping, and we're just going to sprinkle it over top.
And you kind of mix that with your hands, really, kind
Sure.
of near the end to get it to that consistency. Yeah.
That's right. We're gonna layer this pretty good because there's a lot here. Okay, back to the oven, still on 325, and this time it's gonna bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, or till that topping is browned, and we think that the center is almost set. 40 to 45. Okay, it's been 43 minutes. Let's take a look. It smells really good.
Yes, it does.
Okay, this needs to sit here for 1 hour to cool, and then we'll put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and we'll come back and play it for y'all.
And eat it.
Yes, and taste it. Here it is. We have 2 pieces stacked for you. Look at all the colors. It looks great.
And now I'm going to see if it tastes great.
Oh yeah.
Because I have
Please do.
a very small corner piece. Just to try it. Looks great.
Yeah.
And you don't know this about me, but I love graham cracker.
Oh, yes, you
So
do.
I'm excited.
Yes, you do. What do you think?
It's really good.
Yep. Can taste the lemon, I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, good.
It tastes the lemon and the graham crackers, nice and crunchy
Nice.
on the bottom and on the top. So yeah, you're gonna like it for sure.
All right, y'all. Blueberry cheesecake bars. Enjoy and have a blessed day.